Hello, second graders. Today we are on lesson 4.11. So we're on algebra. Find sums for 3 addends. So normally we've been working on 2 addends. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. There's 2 addends. Starting today, we're going to be working on having 3 different addends if each of them have 2-digit numbers. So we could have 20 plus 21, that means 2 addends. But if we added 32, there's our third addend. So, essential question, what are some ways to add 3 numbers? Listen and draw. Draw to show each problem. The first problem, Mr. Kim bought 5 blue balloons, 4 red balloons, excuse me, and 5 yellow balloons. How many balloons did Mr. Kim buy? All right, so if he bought 5 blue balloons, 4 red balloons, and 5 yellow balloons, well, I need to add those up together. Okay, to find out how many he bought all together. So the first thing I'm going to do is I see 5, 4, and 5. I could either add straight down or I can make a 10. 5 plus 5 would be 10. Then I just have to add 4 plus 10. That gives me 14. All right, I would like for you guys to try it down here. If there were 4 blue, 6 red, and 3 yellow. Go ahead and try to add all of those balloons together and see how many balloons there are. Press play when you're ready. All right, great job. So we have 4 blue balloons, 6 red balloons, and 3 yellow balloons. So I'm going to add them all up. 4 plus 6 plus 3. 4 and 6 give me 10. 10 plus 3 would be 13. All right. Okay. Model and draw. There are different ways to add 3 numbers. How can you add 23, 41, and 17? Think of different ways to choose digits in the ones column to add first. All right, so we can these are our 2 thought bubbles. These are the 2 ways that we can think about this. The first one, you can add to make a 10 first. Then add the other one's digit, then add the tens. So what they saw here is that we have 3 ones and 7 ones. When we do 3 plus 7, we get 10. Then we just have our 1 to add to that 10. And we have 10 plus 1 equals 11. All right, and from there, we know that 11 means we have 1 1 and 1 10. Then add the tens. So 1 plus 2 would be 3, plus 4 would be 7, plus 1 more would be 8. So we get 81. Let's try over here. Add from top to bottom first. Add from top to bottom. First, add the top 2 digits in the ones column, then add the next digit. So instead of making a 10, they're just going to go straight down the ones column. So 3 and 1 would be first. 3 plus 1 equals 4. And then we add that 4 to this 7. 4 plus 7 equals 11. Again, when we have 11, that means we have 1 1, 1 10, and we add straight down again. 1 plus 2 equals 3, plus 4 equals 7, plus 1 more equals 8. So we can either try to make a 10, or we can add the first 2 digits, then add the third one. All right, down here, share and show. Number 1. Oh, it says add. Number 1, 33 plus 34 plus 32. And remember, we're keeping a very straight column. So whatever ones I have in my answer are going to go right there under my ones column. Any tens will be right under my tens. Okay, so First, I have 33 plus 34 plus 32. I don't see how I could make a 10, so I'm going to start by adding the top two. 3 ones plus 4 ones gives me 7 ones. 7 ones plus 2 ones would be 9 ones. I don't have anything to regroup, so now I can just add my 10 straight down. 3 plus 3 would be 6, plus 3 more would be 9. So my answer is 99. Okay. Number 2, 47 plus 21 plus 7 equals what? So first I'm going to add the top two. 7, or I could do a doubles fact. I could do 7 plus 7 equals 14, then add my 1 to it, and I get 15. 15 ones, I know that means there are 5 ones and 1 10. And then I can add my tens. 1 plus 4 would be 5, plus 2 more would be 7 tens. 75. Number 3, 65 plus 13 plus 15. All right, so here I could start by doing 5 plus 3, but I see a 10. 5 plus 5 would be 10, plus our 3 would be 13. If I have 13 ones, that means I have 3 ones and 1 10, which I can regroup over here into a 10. 1 plus 6 would be 7, plus 1 would be 8, plus 1 more would be 9. So 65 plus 13 plus 15 equals 93. Number 4, 58 plus 27 plus 22. I see another 10. 8 plus 2 equals 10, plus our 7 that's still here would be 17. I can't fit 17 ones in my ones column, so I have 7 ones, regroup by 10, and now I need to add my tens. 1 plus 5 equals 6, plus 2 equals 8, plus 2 equals 10, so I have 0 tens and 100, or I can just write my 10 in there. Number 5, 12 plus 22 plus 36 equals what? Well, I'm going to start up here with my first 2 digits. 2 plus 2 equals 4, plus 6. There's a tens fact, which means I have 0 ones and 1 10 to regroup. Then I'll add my ones. 1 plus 1 equals 2, plus 2 equals 4, plus 3 equals 7. So 12 plus 22 plus 36 equals 70. Number 6, 10 plus 42 plus 36. Well, I know that 0 plus anything would just be whatever those numbers are. So 2 plus 6 equals 8. 0 plus 8 gives me 8. All right, so I don't have any tens to regroup there. So then I can just add my tens. 1 plus 4 equals 5, plus 3 more equals 8. So 10 plus 42 plus 36 equals 88. Please try numbers 7 and 8 on your own. Press play once you have your answer, and we'll go over them. Great job, second graders. Okay, so for number 7, 31 plus 21 plus 16. I'm going to start at my top. 1 plus 1 would be 2, plus 6 more equals 8. I don't have anything to regroup, so then I just add my tens. 3 plus 2 plus 1. Well, 3 plus 2 would be 5, and 1 more is 6. So 31 plus 21 plus 16 equals 68. Remember, when we have a problem that's vertical, this line at the bottom of all of our addends is our equal sign. Just like if we wrote 31 plus 21 plus 16 equals, that equal sign right there is the same as doing our line down here. All right, number 8, 30 plus 29 plus 48 equals what? Well, 0 plus 9 is 9. 9 plus 8 gives me 17. 17 means I have 7 ones and I have 1 10 to regroup. Now I can add my tens. 1 plus 3 equals 4, plus 2 equals 6, plus 4 more equals 10. 1 and 0. All right, so 30 plus 29 plus 48 equals 107. All right, now we are on page 215. Whoops, 215. Go ahead and try the on your own section, add. So you're going to do this whole row, this one, and this one. So stop once you finish number 20, and then we'll do our math on the spot with Jeannie. It's a really silly one. Okay, press play when you're ready. All right, second graders. So number 9, we have 22 plus 27 plus 18. I see a 10 right there. So I can add my 2 and 8 to make 10. Plus 7 more is 17. So I have 7 in my ones place, 1 in my tens place. Then when I add my tens, 1 plus 2 equals 3, plus 2 equals 5, plus 1 equals 6. So the answer is 67. Number 10, 26 plus 31 plus 19. First, I'll add my ones. I see a 10 right there again. 1 plus 9 equals 10. Plus our 6 up here is 16. So I have 6 ones, 1 10 to regroup. Now I can add my tens. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Plus 3 more equals 6. Plus 1 more equals 7. 26 plus 31 plus 19 equals 76. Number 11, 24 plus 11 plus 53. So I'll start at the top. 4 plus 1 equals 5, plus 3 equals 8. There isn't anything to regroup because that's smaller than 10. Now I just get to go add my tens place, tens digits. So 2 plus 1 plus 5. Well, 2 plus 1 equals 3, plus 5 equals 8. So our answer is 88. Number 12, 33 plus 43 plus 4. I'll start up at my top. Here's a doubles fact. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Plus 4 equals 10, which means I have 0 ones and 1 10. Now I can add my tens. 1 plus 3 equals 4. Plus 4 equals 8. So 33 plus 43 plus 4 equals 80. Number 13, 40 plus 17 plus 32. Well, 0 plus 7 just equals 7. Plus 2 equals 9. So I have 9 ones, which means I don't have anything to regroup. Now I can add my tens. 4 plus 1 plus 3. 4 plus 1 equals 5, plus 3 more equals 8. So 40 plus 17 plus 32 equals 89. Number 14. Whoa. 25 plus 25 plus 25. Oh my goodness, we have all the same numbers in the ones place and all the same numbers in the tens place. So 5 plus 5 equals 10, plus 5 more equals 15. I have 5 ones, 1 10 to regroup. Now, I know that 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6, plus our 1 that we regrouped equals 7. So 25 plus 25 plus 25 equals 75. Number 15, 19 plus 65 plus 24. All right, so I see that I can make 5 plus 4 equals 9, and then I have a doubles fact. 9 plus 9, that's 18. So I have 8 ones, 1 10 to regroup. Then I can add my tens. 1 plus 1 equals 2, plus 6 equals 8, plus 2 more equals 10. And remember, if you added 9 plus 5 to get 14, then added another 4, you would still get 18, and it would work out just the same. So if you didn't make that 9 to make a doubles fact like I did, that's okay, as long as you still got 8 ones and 1 10 to regroup. Okay, same thing for over here. If you just added 7 plus 2 and got 9, then knew that 0 added to that wouldn't do anything, and you still got 9 there, that's okay. Number 16, 73 plus 4 plus 16. Okay, I see a 10. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Plus 3 equals 13. So I have 3 ones, 1 10 to regroup. Now I have 1 plus 7 plus 1. 1 plus 7 equals 8. Plus 1 more equals 9. And remember, we have a little invisible 0 right here for 4. Four ones means we don't have any 10s, so there's a little invisible 0 there. Number 17. 35 plus 24 plus 58. I'm going to start by adding 5 plus 4 to get 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. So I have 7 ones and 1 10 to regroup. Now I can add my tens digits. 1 plus 3 equals 4, plus 2 more equals 6, plus 5 equals 11. So that means I have 110 and 100 now. So our answer is 117. Number 18, 32 plus 18 plus 18. All right, so 2 plus 8 equals 10, plus 8 more equals 18. Right there, and then I have my 8 in my ones place and a 1 regrouped into my tens place. Now I can add my tens. 1 plus 3 equals 4, plus 1 more equals 5, plus 2 more equals 7. 7 tens. So our answer is 78. Number 19, 42 plus 31 plus 12 equals what? Well, I can do 2 plus 1 equals 3, plus 2 more equals 5. 5 ones. If you did 2 plus 2 to make a doubles fact and then added 1, you would still get 5. We don't have anything to regroup, so now I can just add my tens. 4 plus 3 plus 1. So 4 plus 3 equals 7. 1 more equals 8. Our answer is 85. And number 20, 70 plus 18 plus 17. Well, 0 plus 8 equals 8. Plus 7 would equal 15, which means I have 5 ones, 1 10 to regroup, and now I can add my tens. 1 plus 7 equals 8, plus 1 equals 9, plus 1 more equals 10. So I have a 0 in my tens place and a 1 in my hundreds place. 70 plus 18 plus 17 equals 105. All right. Number 21 is our math on the spot with Jeannie. Our problem has different numbers, but we'll come back and we'll watch their strategy. Then we'll come back and finish our problem.
Hey, Jeannie was supposed to join me for this next math puzzle, but her bus broke down. But the exciting thing is we're going to try to bring her in using a web camera. Let's see. Jeannie?
Yoo, Professor Berger!
Hey, there you are. Hi, how are you?
Hi!
Are you okay?
Oh, I'm fine. It's really good to see you.
Well, it's great seeing you. Now, are you ready for some math fun?
Of course I am.
Okay, here we go. Here's the question. So Sophia had 34 marbles. She bought 27 marbles. Then John gave her 43 marbles. And the question for us is, how many marbles does Sophia have now? Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, here we go. So what we're going to do is we're first of all going to realize that we want to add up all those numbers to see how many she has in total, in all. So what we're going to do is we are going to write the numbers down. So I see 34, and then I want to add 27, and then I want to add 43.
Ooh, that's a lot of numbers.
And they're big, too.
They are.
A lot of marbles. But when I look at this, let's just start looking at the ones digit. And the cool thing here, if you check it out, is notice that I've got 7 and 3. And if I take 7 and add it to 3, that actually equals an easy number. I'm going to come over here and write that down. Do you know 7 plus 3? What does that equal?
I do. It equals 10.
That's exactly right. So we have 10 ones. So by grouping this way, we can actually add these digits and see we have 10. So that's 10 ones, and then I have 4. So I have 10 plus 4, which is actually 14 ones, but it's nice to think about it as 10 plus 4 because that means I have 1 10 and 4 ones.
That's right. Oh, Professor Berger, remote math is fun.
Well, you're doing great. So here we go. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to write the 4 ones here, and I'm going to regroup, and instead of 10 ones, I'm going to write 1 10. So I'm going to write the 1 way up here.
Right.
Okay, so now what do I have to add? Well, now I have to add all the 10s. So I have 3 10s plus 2 10s plus 4 10s, and then plus the 1 10. So that's going to be 3 3 10s plus 2 10s plus 4 10s plus 1 10. And so 3 plus 2 is 5 10s.
That's right.
Plus 4 10s is going to be 9 10s. And one more 10 is going to be
10.
So we have 10 10s, and 10 10s means 100.
That's right.
So we see 100. And so we see that the answer is 104. And I could write that nicely as 104.
Yeah.
And that's how many marbles she has.
That is a whole lot of marbles. Oh, hey, Professor Berger, guess what?
What?
My bus is here.
Oh.
That means I can come see you.
Well, get over here real fast. We'll do some more math.
Oh, should I bring my marbles?
Absolutely.
I'll be right there.
Okay.
Mom!
Have fun with math. We'll see you soon.
I want to see you. I love you.
All right, so Sophia had 44 marbles. She bought 24 more marbles. Then John gave her 35 marbles. So they're asking us, how many marbles does Sophia have now? Well, the first thing I need to do is rewrite my problem. 44 plus 24 equals 35, plus 35, plus sign in our equal sign line. Okay, so go ahead and pause the video. Try to solve this problem on your own now that we've rewritten it. Then press play when you're ready. All right, so 4 plus 4 is a doubles factor and it equals 8. Plus 5 would be 13. So I have 3 ones and 1 10 to regroup. Then I can add up my tens place. 1 plus 4 equals 5, plus 2 equals 7, plus 3 equals 10. So we have our 10 there. So she has 103 marbles. Okay. All right. So problem solving. Number 22, evaluate. Mrs. Shaw has 23 red notebooks, 15 blue notebooks, and 27 green notebooks. How many notebooks does she have now? I want you to try to rewrite this problem up and down so that you can solve it, but make sure that you line your columns up very carefully. Go ahead and solve it, and then press play when you're ready. Good job, second graders. So we have the 23 red notebooks plus 15 blue notebooks plus 27 green notebooks. I don't have my green pen, so they're purple. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is add up our ones place. 3 plus 5 plus 7. 3 plus 7 would give me 10. Plus 5 more equals 15 ones, which means I have 5 ones and 1 10 to regroup. Now I can add my tens place. 1 plus 2 equals 3, plus 1 equals 4, plus 2 more equals 6. So, and she has 65 notebooks. Number 23, model mathematics. Write a story problem that could be solved using this number sentence. 12 plus 28 plus what equals 53? Okay, so you're going to have to leave that one of these addends isn't there, but we have the total. Go ahead and pause and think of a story problem that could be solved using that number sentence. Press play when you're ready. All right, hello, second graders, good job. So your sentence might be different than mine. but I will write mine out just so you can see. So I'm going to say that John had 12 pencils. He bought 28 more pencils. His teacher gave him some more pencils. Then he had 53 pencils. How many pencils did his teacher give him? Okay, so in this problem, I talked about the two addends. He had 12, he bought 28 more, but then his teacher gave him some that we don't know. Then he had 53 in the end. Okay, so your problem should be something similar, but you could have used anything, any items, any person. He could have been given some by two friends. That's up to you, as long as it all equaled the same thing. If you did not know a problem to write down, go ahead and pause the video, write down what I wrote, and then press play when you're ready. Number 24, think smarter. Mr. Sampson gave his students 31 yellow pencils, 27 red pencils, and 25 blue pencils. How many pencils did he give to the students? Go ahead and write this problem out and then solve it. Press play when you're ready. All right, so Mr. Sampson gave them 31 yellow pencils, 27 red pencils, and 25 blue pencils. I'll add all of those up. See that my columns are nice and straight. 1 plus 7 equals 8, plus 5 more equals 13. So we have 3 ones, 1 10 to regroup. Now we can add up our tens. 1 plus 3 equals 4, plus 2 equals 6, plus 2 more equals 8. So he gave 83 pencils to his students. Great job today, second graders. I'll see you next time.